Chevy 4.3 question for everybody, since I'm helping everybody else out. On these Poppet injectors, how do you get the used ones to stay in? We pulled some out from the junkyard. We can't exactly get these things to stay in the way they're supposed to, so I've had to tap a screwdriver carefully on the edges to put them in. This is a multi-port. This is a newer style with the clips. I think they're in because I had one come loose, so I had to take it off. Actually, I had a what do you call that? Fuel pressure problem, so I just grabbed another one from the junkyard. And they all seem tight now. I gotta get a gasket for O-ring for that. You know what I mean. A gasket, and we'll see how that works. And this one, actually, normal GM ones, I'll show you. Normal GM ones have this piece in there with a little filter and all that, but this don't go in this one. This one was an aftermarket one, I guess, because only this one had no stem on it, nor no little filter on it. It went just right in. And it didn't have one of these vacuum. It just runs off manifold vacuum. So I don't know what to get another one in there would be fun. So that would have to be definitely aftermarket because this doesn't fit in there. So just get your thoughts. How do you guys get these little poppets to stay down? About 2 hours of moving garbage, moving all this stuff, junk cars without keys. We're gonna try to get it moved. And this thing still got parts in it. What is the day? 18th or something, November 2025.